Today I want to talk about the 6 syllable types that help us read any word in the English language. There are over 616,000 words in the English language. That is more than any other language in the world, so we need help. English is a difficult language to not only learn, but to read. So, there are 6 syllable types that if we learn what they are and the rules that govern each, we can read any word in the world. For instance, look at this nonsense word. This nonsense word includes all 6 syllable types. Check it out. L-O-R-F, M-E-E-P, L-O-C-U-T-T-L-E, B-R-O-V-E. Now, because I know the 6 syllable types, I would know where the accents are, but I would know this is Lorf Meatloaf Cuddle Grove. Now that sounds crazy, but I'll tell you just quickly the 6 syllable types. This is a vowel plus R. This is a vowel pair. This is an open syllable. This is a closed syllable. This is a final stable syllable. And this is a vowel consonant silent E syllable. Isn't that remarkable? So if we learn all 6 syllable types, we'll be much better readers. But the one I want to talk about today is the closed syllable. This is one of the most common syllables in the English language, is the closed syllable. And the reason it's called closed is because it ends in a consonant. When you say a word like me, it goes on forever. A closed syllable stops. If you say meat, then it stops. It's closed. So that's what we're talking about today, a closed syllable. Here's an example of a closed syllable that is also a word. I-T, it. It ends in a T. T. The sounds are it, it stops. It is closed, we call it, because it ends in a consonant. Here's the magic. If it ends in a consonant, the vowel is automatically short. This little thing we hear we call a breathe. B-R-E-V-E. When I work with dyslexic students, I teach them hand motions to remember these. So, for instance, they know a closed syllable ends in one or more consonants. The vowel is short, code it with a breathe. So that's another way to learn how to read. We can make it a longer syllable. It can end actually, it ends in a consonant, but it can end in more than one consonant. For instance, I'm going to put a consonant or consonants. It might end in more than one consonant. If we take the word cash, it ends in 2 consonants, but it doesn't matter. It can end in 2 consonants and the vowel is still short. Isn't that remarkable? Let's take 3 consonants. What if a word ends in 3 consonants? If it ends in 3 consonants, how about this one? Match. This one ends in 3 consonants. Not to worry, the vowel is still short. So, match, it's sealed, it ends, it's closed. It's closed. So it is a closed syllable. This is closed. It is a closed syllable. This word is over, it's closed. It is a closed syllable. So the main thing to remember about a closed syllable is it ends in a consonant. If the syllable ends in a consonant, it could be a syllable or it might be the whole word. But if it's a syllable, it ends in a consonant, then the vowel is always going to be short and you'll always code it with a breathe. Can you find the closed syllable we mentioned over here? This actually is a real word. Cut. It ends in a consonant. The vowel is short. Stay tuned for more. There are 5 more syllables we're going to talk about. 6 syllable types. Today we talked about closed.